Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to count the number of lines in a text file. I want to display the number of lines contains the data in a text file. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the terminal. Let's print Python count number of lines.py and I click enter. In the sports.txt file around 5 lines are there, so I am expecting 5 lines. Enter. Here I need enter. See here the number of lines are 5. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which contains in the desktop Python -tutorials. This is our folder. I am selecting that folder. And our folder is added to our VS Explorer. The next step will add our new file called count number of lines.py, and here we got the count number of lines.py which we have just created. After that I am adding one more text file called, so let's add sports.txt text file. Here in the sports text file I am adding some data: cricket, baseball, rugby, tennis, cycling, tennis we got there. Just for the demo purpose I am entered only 5 lines of text here. So now this sports.txt file contains 5 lines of data. Now I am expecting, my code is, I want to get this sports.txt file contains 5 lines. So the code is, first let's open our file, is equals to open method. In this open method I am adding, or between double quotes I am adding sports.txt file. Then for loop for I in file, I am declaring a variable called k is equals to, or we can use count is equals to the length of the file dot read lines method. Then print the number of lines or count. I am adding +1. The length index starts with 0. So if I add only count, here in our sports file contains 5 lines there, but I will get only 4 because the index value starts with 0. That's the reason I am adding +1. That's it. Now let's save this file. Save all. Now let's check the final output of our application. Click terminal. And here we got the terminal. Let's print Python count number of lines.py and I click enter. In the sports.txt file around 5 lines are there, so I am expecting 5 lines. Enter. Here I need enter. See here the number of lines are 5. I'll try one more thing. Skating is there. Save this file. Now again see here, now the number of lines are 6 here. We got 6 lines in this text file. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to count the number of lines available contains a data in a text file using a Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.